Hello, so today we are going to explore how to build your AI powered life and business plan. The purpose of this presentation is to review the best free AI tools, learn how to apply them to your personal and business tasks, and finally leave with a personalized automation blueprint that you can continue using. By the end of this session, you will see how AI can save time, reduce stress, and help you achieve goals faster. AI is more than just a friend. It's becoming part of our life, how we work and live every day. In personal life, AI can organize your routines, track habits, and even suggest improvements. In business, it can automate emails, generate marketing contents, and analyze customer data. Instead of replacing, AI is here to free us from repetitive tasks so we can focus on strategy, creativity, and decision making. So here are some of the tools that we will be using and talking about. So Notion AI, ChatGPT, Canva, Zapier, and Google Sheets. All these with AI plugins. So all of them have free versions. Notion AI is great for structuring projects and keeping everything in one place. ChatGPT helps with research, brainstorming, and generating content quickly. Canva helps with professional looking designs. Zapier connects your apps so they can talk to each other and run workflows automatically. And Google Sheets with AI plugins make analyzing and visualizing data simple. So, okay, so here I will show an example of how ChatGPT can be used for brainstorming. For instance, imagine you want to create a weekly plan for or a small business marketing plan. You can type a prompt like generate a 7-day healthy meal plan with recipes and grocery lists under $50 budget. ChatGPT will instantly give you ideas you can use. This same method can apply to business like marketing campaigns or product ideas. So I'll just copy and paste this prompt that says generate a 7-day healthy meal plan with recipes and grocery list under a $50 budget, which you can use for your personal life as well for cooking. And it's gonna generate a meal plan within seconds, as you can see, with details and also some easy recipes. So it just makes your life much easier. Okay, so that was ChatGPT. So now we're going to use Canva. So Canva has an AI-powered text-to-image feature and template suggestion system. You can describe what you need, and uh, Canva gives you options. Can I quickly pause here for a second? Okay, so another tool that we're going to use is Canva for design. Can you see? So Canva has an AI-powered text-to-image feature and template suggestion system, so you can describe what you need, and Canva gives you options. For example, you can just create a prompt that says create a simple infographic showing the benefits of using AI for small businesses, and the AI will generate ready-to-use designs that you can edit. So this makes creating social media posts or reports much faster, even without design skills. So if you just go to Canva's website right here, and this here on the left side that says Canva AI, it will take you here. So you can just I'm just gonna paste my prompt. so within a few seconds, it just put together some designs. You can always tweak them, as it says right here, change the images, but it looks pretty good for like because it generated in within seconds, so it's pretty neat. Alright, now another tool that I'll be using is Notion AI. Notion AI can summarize notes, rewrite text, and generate project outlines. So imagine you're planning a business automation project. You can highlight your notes and ask Notion AI to create a project roadmap. So, for example, um, I have this prompt right here that has some notes, and I want it to summarize the notes and like build an online store automation project. Just copy and paste it here, and I will ask it to build this project plan. It is going to take a few seconds, and there you go. So it just generated a comprehensive step-by-step project plan for my online store automation project. So it has like different phases with weeks and everything in detail. So and this was all under the free plan, I believe. So it's pretty neat. Um, So another tool that we're going to talk about is Zapier. So Zapier is a tool that allows you to connect different apps and automate repetitive tasks without writing any code. Essentially, it works like a bridge between apps so that when something happens in one app, it automatically triggers an action in another. So, for example, imagine you have receive emails with attachments in Google in Gmail. So instead of manually downloading them and saving them to a folder or uploading them somewhere else, Zapier can automatically save those attachments to a cloud storage app like Google Drive or even create a record in Notion and send you notification in Slack. So the key idea is that Zapier saves you time by letting the software do routine tasks automatically. You can create workflows called zaps that are as simple as one trigger and one action, or more complex with multiple steps. So it's a powerful tool to add to your AI-powered life and business plan because it works in the background while you focus on higher value tasks. So the last example we're going to talk about is AI in Google Sheets. Google Sheets can be supercharged with AI add-ons like ChatGPT for Sheets or AI Formula Generator. For example, you can highlight your data and ask it for insights or something else. So let's have a look at it. So I already have a table right here. I'm just gonna give it a prompt and ask it to summarize the top 3 insights with recommendations. As you can see, you generated some insights. So the first is shoes consistently generate high revenue across all regions. So this all these insights are based on this table. So you can imagine if you have like a much bigger, much larger table, you don't have to go through the entire table to find the important insights or important points about the table, you can just get the summary and insights using AI like this. And as you can see on the side, it gives you more options to which you can use. You can generate formulas, explain formulas. It has some GPT functions which you can use. You can also generate an API and use that here. So yeah. So as you saw throughout this presentation, you can create automation plans using AI tools like ChatGPT, for example. You can create meal plans, daily routines, automate task reminders. You can also connect tools like Notion, Google Calendar, Gmail, and for business, you can automate. You can use Zapier tools like Zapier to automate your um, attachment download and save it to somewhere else. You can automate client communication with emails and FAQs. You can also create contents for social media, like you noticed on uh, Canva. You can create infographics for your businesses. Um, so AI, you can use AI in personal productivity, in your personal life, and also in your business life. Um, Morning routine, goal tracking dashboards. So these are just few of the examples which you can use AI for. Um, or even like create content ideas or market research summaries, customer support automation. So now designing your automation blueprint. So there are steps which you can take to create your blueprint. Um, so once you have learned these tools, the next step would be to create your automation blueprint, where you would have to list your personal and business tasks, identify what can be automated, match with the right AI tools, set up small experiments first before you go to the actual start using it in your business or your personal life, and then scale, and then you can refine it. So, and as you notice, there are tools like ChatGPT for research, Notion AI for project management, Canva for design, Zapier for connecting workflows, and Google Sheets for analysis. So, put all of these into one system that works together and saves you hours every week. Now, the key takeaways that we can see here is that AI helps streamline